Live from the Beauty Biz, and tonight, as promised, we are going to talk about staging as far as outfit coordination. We're in the bedroom, and I wanted to show you just how easy I make it because I use a very large space, and we take a week's worth of outfits in one view. We hang them on the wall. Now, a lot of the times I will add the accessories that I use. Some change out. All the shoes I have down here on platforms that go with every outfit. Everything is laid out so I can get dressed and out the door in 15 minutes or less. Everything in the room I use as a closet. It's kind of a dream from when I was a little girl, but I've got my accessories hanging on the wall. Handbag collection I use on shelves, any shelving. You guys can do this with whatever you have around the house. It is not hard. And everything is at your fingertips to make it so much easier. These are little tie racks that I got at Walmart for $10 a piece. And I use them to hang my jewelry. The stuff doesn't get cluttered or knotted up. And I can see it when I'm putting my outfits together, and it's so much easier. I've got all my rings and baubles, manicures for nails, everything at my fingertips. The next video in our series talking about outfit coordination, we're going to break it down, and I've made like a cupcake theory as far as coordination goes, 3 easy steps, and you will always remember when you're trying to get dressed, and it all starts with basic blacks. So stay tuned. Next Tuesday's video, we're going further into the outfit coordination thing. You guys, the website I've totally reworked, and I'm very hard, and I want you to check it out at kimsbeautybiz.com, and follow me on Instagram. I always want to remind you of that. I want you to comment below. I want to know anything that you guys, the content that you want to see, or skincare or beauty questions, fashion, something. If I can answer it, I'm always eager to help. But I will see you next Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed. And the next Tuesday's video, we're going to talk about cupcakes. You guys take care. Have a good night.